Idaho Falls, Idaho on a beautiful dog-friendly adventure today. Right behind us, what you see is the Snake River, and we're having a great time, so come along. Such a pretty area with all this different color foliage right now. This is gorgeous. It all started with a scenic drive along the Snake River just east of Idaho Falls. By chance, we came across the trailhead parking area, and with all the cars parked here, we figured there might be an interesting trail to explore. The Cress Creek Nature Trail is about 1.5 miles long and offers interpretive trail signs that highlight the unique landscapes of eastern Idaho.
Yes! Supports the largest cottonwood forest in the west.
Oh, wow.
Because of all the water there.
It's pretty right now with all those cottonwoods changing color.
Give me, baby. There you go. Oh, your sister's doing it. Oh,
I know, he likes sticking his head underwater. He's so funny. Right. Now you got wet hair.
You got wet hair. If I had an excuse. Yeah.
Definitely an uphill trail, but beautiful. When you first start out, it doesn't look like much. It's just a paved trail.
This trail is strictly for this creek that we're standing behind. There's one creek, brook, whatever you want to call it, comes down the hill, and the trail goes over it back and forth.
It's kind of pretty here with the leaves in the water. Certainly are some pretty views from up So here we are at the end of the loop trail, so we got the rest of it still to go back on. But if you enjoyed this video, please like and share it, and we hope you join us next time. Until then,
keep your paws on the road. Keep your paws on the road.